everybody, today we got a Playdoh surprise. So what's this one, Maddie? Are you taking them off, mister? Then we need to take this one out. Wow! So let's open. Jeez! Today we got a Playdoh surprise. Yay! So let's open it, Amanda. Let's open it. How we make it open it? Let's get Playdoh in. Let's add a sweet colour. Wow! Let's open it. Oh look! We've got Playdoh.
What colours are they?
We've got blue and we've got medium box. Oh no, it's got Playdoh. Let's open them. What colour have you got? So this one's medium box. Let's see. Oops. So let's see who's this. We've got glassy glass. We've got blue. We've got I can't open it. I can't open it. I can't open it. There we go. Come on in. No. Oh. So we've got pink and we've got peachy. So, and we've got orange Playdoh. So let's see what's. Ooh, I know what this one is. Susie. Go there. So this one's stuck in there. Let's see what's the trapped one. Pink. So let's see. Ooh, I know who this one is. Terry Taco. This is Terry Taco. So let's see what this big one is. Ooh, look. Who is this one? It used to be radio. It's blue, and we've got Flappy Cat. What's I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna open it. No, don't. So this one is, come on, get out. Orange Playdoh. Have a look what colour. Now I know who this one is. Jessica. In the blue. And this is Susan. This is Booze. Manny, why aren't you opening the ones that are? And this is Piano Sue. So this one is yellow. Oopsie days. I know who this one is. Susie Sunday. Susie Sundays. Wow, she's got another white. Oh no, why did you open it? I see what is. What is this one? Rules. Humby Humbug. We found a Shopkins. Yay! Let's find somebody else in there. I think somebody else is hidden in you. Who is doing that? So this is Millie's shoe with the Millie. Let's open up with Shopkins. Pull out. So this is Millie mushroom. Fashions. Yes, that's this. So let's see what's in this big one. Red. This is handbag, just like handbag. So this one's blue Playdoh. No! This is right pen. It's right pen we got. Hey, are you using watercolors? You got another colour? What's in this one? Pink. So, what was inside the Playdoh surprise eggs? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, look at them all. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look how many got eggs. 35. So we've got more eggs. 70, 80, 90, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37.